broken Makita hammer. This is the HR3540C. Motor's gone. She's burnt out. She's obviously hot. Needs a new motor. What year is she? 2014. She's got about nearly 10 years work done. It's about average for these here type of machines, to be honest. This here one, 3540s. They're a small compact machine, SDS Max, but they don't have the biggest motor because they're nice and light. Small motor keeps the weight down, but they're not capable of all the big work that the big drills do. So they can burn out the motors. Luckily, they're not that expensive to fix. Plenty of meat left in the brush. There's your blowing armature. That com bar there's blowing, shorted out. So instead of it energizing one segment, it's shorting out to another segment, which is then fighting the rotation. One side's trying to turn it this way, the other side's fighting it, trying to turn it back the other way as well. So that's gone. That's your clutch. Press this out. So that's the piece we want. That armature's gone. So the seal looks okay, which actually just looks like the bleed hole. There's a wee hole in the gearbox up here. Any excess pressure to skip, that'll just leak out of that spot. There's a wee felt washer, wee felt sleeve up on here. So that oil leak might be okay. No, once it's washed down. Right, clean this up. set of brushes and one armature. The best thing about these ones, come on fully kitted out. Bearings on them and the wheel lip seal as well, sitting on top. So all you have to do is press it straight on and you're good to go. Make sure it's turning. The fan down in here should be turning nice and free, so you know everything's in correctly. That's another one ready for work. One Makita HR3540C, 110 volt, new motor and brushes. It'll be a fairly common repair for that there particular Makita hammer because she's so small and light, but the armature isn't actually that expensive on it, to be quite honest. So labour, parts, VAT all included. That repair costs about €150 compared to about €600 for a new machine. Cheers for watching, lads. Give us a like and a follow if you like the content. Give us a subscribe as well if you want to support the channel. Thank you.